Greetings, this is Jacqueline, and I wanted to share something with you, just to show an example of a tool that I've built in the past. It's just a simplified tool for people who want to calculate the commissions for the salespeople really quickly, just to get an idea of how much you're spending and saving in sales, salaries, and commissions for your salespeople. Okay, this I did with VBA Excel. One thing that I wanted to show you is this on the left. When you get a new employee, you agree on a salary and their commission percentage. And then as you enter their weekly timesheets, you enter, the only thing that you really have to enter is how many hours did they work this week, and how much sales did they give. So let's just start with the new employee. I've already entered 2 fake employees just for just to show you what's going on. Let me just hold on. Okay, so I've entered those 2, and where it'll appear in this box over here. So if their hourly rate or commission ever changes and they're already listed here, you could just change it over here in this box. I'm going to change the color of this box just to let you know that this is a special box. Yeah, this box is very special. So anyway, let's go over here and enter a new employee. Let's just say the new employee is Joe Blow. We just hired him. We agreed that he is going to make $20 an hour. Well, maybe $20.20. And then, because I say he should probably make a little more than that, I'll say his commission is 10%. So if he could bring in more sales, he can make more than $20.20. And I hit enter. And then on that same day, we met a nice lady named Becky Williams. And she's a real good salesperson. And so we're going to encourage her to work a little bit harder. She still may make more than the others because she's so good, and we'll give her extra commission. Okay, so then we exit out of here. And as you can see, Joe Blow and Becky Williams are listed over here. Okay, now the week is ended, and we've got to run payroll next week. They want to know, they drop by your desk saying, how much you think I made this week? And you say name, and they said, my name is Joe Blow. And Joe Blow worked 30 hours this week. He did a really good job. He made $500 in sales. And so we entered that in the system. And so when you look, you're going to see that with $20.20 an hour, he worked 30 hours. That's a salary of $606. At $500 at 10% commission, his gross pay is going to be $656. And if we were going, the next person that enters into your space could be Becky. She worked a full 40 hours. She made $1,000 in sales. And we hit enter. Becky's right here, and this is her salary. So if I was to do a quick look at my budget, I would say, you know what, Becky is making $1,464. So this, I kind of did it so you can see it right away, but the reality is I would definitely code it so that when I hit enter, it affords me the opportunity to enter more than one person at a time. And when I exit, I'll end up going to the sheet, this last screen that tells me what the total salary is paid and what everybody else in gross pay is supposed to make. And you know, if I was to do this for you, then I would also calculate their taxes and their net pay and any garnishments that would be included. It will probably be included in the setup sheet. And in the end, you know, you will connect that to whatever you need to connect it to. We could also get into a place where you have a salary budget and you tell me what that limit is for the week, and you'll have a graph that lets you know how close all of these people are coming to going over your budget, or if they're not. So you may have some part-time employees, and you may have to decide, whether how many hours they're going to work next week and how much you're willing to spend on um, on your salaries expense. So I can go way down in deep into that rabbit hole. I actually have been a previous payroll representative for Time Warner Cable for the state of North Carolina. So I have done this before. It was not as automated as I have made it right now. This is a very simplified spreadsheet for, perhaps a small business, but we can get into things if you have a larger network where you're already entering in salaries and you want to dump it into your Excel spreadsheet so that you can do projections and have presentations to your manager, your board, or your budget department, then I can do that for you as well. So just let me know. Again, I'm going to leave my contact information at the bottom so you can reach out to me. And I'll speak with you later. Thanks. Bye.